My goodness. Yesterday, if you are joining us from New Jersey, it was the heavy rain, the strong storms that pounded parts of the Northeast as you look at Seagirt, New Jersey here. Look at the winds. If you see Old Glory there in the background, right? At one point, we had more than 10 million people that were under flash flood warnings all at one time. It includes all 5 boroughs of New York City. Unfortunately, subways yesterday in New York City were inundated in spots as well. We had 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts that were reported. What you're looking at right now is estimated rain. This was just over the 24-hour period, most of this occurring in just a couple of hours. That's 2 to upwards of 3+ inches of rain that fell in just a short period of time. There's New York City. Look at where the pumpkin orange coloring is right here. That indicates 3 to as much as 5 inches of rain in parts of, say, lower Manhattan is what the estimated rainfall was. So quite a bit of storm reports out of that. Here's one of them for you. Cars floating in water. This was just south of Newark, New Jersey, toward the airport. We're at the airport, by the way, in Newark. They picked up a record-setting 2.38, so almost 2.5 inches of rain at the airport. So what's going on now? Well, a lot of that energy is now going to be moving toward the south. And as it does so, it's going to squeeze out all kinds of showers and all kinds of thunderstorms from Atlanta to Charlotte, Raleigh, Durham to Norfolk, Virginia. Live radar showing you that right now we're relatively dry. Our dew point temperatures, this helps us gauge how much moisture is in the air. So anytime you see dew points above, say, 65 degrees, it means that it's sticky, it's muggy, it's juicy out there. And look at these dew point temperatures nearing 80 degrees down toward Myrtle Beach and Wilmington, South Carolina. So it means that it is going to be a humid start this morning for sure. Damaging winds will be possible later on today. We're talking winds over 58 to 60 miles per hour. Timeline looks like this. I think if you're in Atlanta, right, maybe you're going to be heading to the Waffle House, popular spot to go to. I absolutely love the biscuits and gravy. Here's the thing. Towards Charlotte and Raleigh, I think through lunchtime we're dry. It's not until 2, 3, maybe 4 o'clock where we start to see those bubble-up showers and thunderstorms, some of which could pack a punch. And then watch the congregation, if you will, over toward the eastern parts of the Carolinas by the time we get to this evening. That's going to be a zone where heavy rain is going to lead to some flash flood potential. So we'll watch that not just for today, but also for tomorrow on your Monday to start off the work week. Remember, we said that flash flood potential is a level 2 out of 4 on our flash flood threat index. So the next question is, all right, talking about flooding, how much rain are we talking about, right? Well, to zero in from Norfolk toward Cape Hatteras, Buxton over toward Jacksonville, again, that's in the Carolinas, we're anticipating anywhere between 2 to as much as 5 inches of rain. That's quite a bit of rain is possible in that zone. So long story short, I do want you to stay weather ready. And of course, Nick, I want folks to stay weather aware in places like Raleigh, Durham through the evening.
Michael,
Nick?
Have you tried the Waffle House cheesy scrambled eggs?
I have, and I always stir. You know, the thing is, you got to stir in a little bit of jelly in there.
Oh man!
I know it sounds weird, but it is sets the stage for some amazingness.
That Waffle House cuisine is delicious. It'll make you fat. Now, don't get me wrong.
And happy.
Yeah, but it's worth it. Trust me. All right.